favorite remains entry number 4, Wheel of Fame. And the rough. Early lead is taken by Silver Glide from the outside. And Grand Game by the rail in second, Wheel of Fame. Wow Wow West and Federer is bringing up the rear. And now the mid-back stretch. It's Silver Glides by a length and a half, followed by Grand Game on the outside in second. And running in third by 2.5 lengths is the favorite Wheel of Fame, Wow Wow West and Federer. Nearing the far turn, it's still Silver Glides by 2.5 lengths, followed by Grand Game in second, and running in third by 3.5 lengths, Wheel of Fame, Wow Wow West and Federer is still trailing the group. Rounding the far turn, it is still Silver Glides by 2.5 lengths. Grand Game remains in second, and Wheel of Fame closing in third by 3.5 lengths, Wow Wow West and Federer. The last bend for home. It is still Silver Glides, entry number 5, followed by Grand Game on the outside, and Wheel of Fame moving up on the inside. And into the home stretch, and in the playoff line is still Silver Glides in the lead. It's still Silver Glides and Wheel of Fame moving up now on the outside. Silver Glides, Wheel of Fame, Grand Game, and Federer, Wow Wow West. It's Silver Glides by the rail, Wheel of Fame on the outside. It's now Wheel of Fame on the outside, and finally Wheel of Fame, Silver Glides, Grand Game.
Okay, 4-5.